Yeah. So hi friends. So in this video we are going to discuss about the count functions. Okay. So we have a different types of count functions like so first one is count. Okay. And then second one is count x. Okay. Count x. And then so third one is count a. Okay. And then fourth one is count ax. Okay. Count ax. And then fifth one is count blanks. Okay, count blanks. And then sixth one is count distinct. Count distinct. Okay, so these are the count functions. Okay, count distinct and count rows. Okay, so count rows. Okay, so these are the different types of count functions we have. Okay, count rows. Okay, these are the different types of functions we have. So now, so what is the difference? Okay, why we have these many count functions? What exactly it will work? Okay, so ela manaki, so the count function will work. Okay, so what is the difference between count and count x and count a and count ax? Okay, count blanks. So what count distinct will do? So we'll discuss in details in this video, guys. Okay, count. First of all, what exactly the count will do? Ante count will count the records in a column. Okay, suppose you have a column. Okay, in this column how many records you have? So if you see here, okay, if you see here, so how many counts? 7 counts. Okay, so just it will count the columns. Okay, count the rows. Okay, count the rows in a column. Just all count functions will do. So it will count the functions. Sorry, just a minute. It will count the records case. Okay, so here I will explain very clearly. So what count will do and what count x will do and count a will do and count ax will you do. Okay, so just try a practice. Okay, so whether it is working same or not, just try yourself. Okay, so if whether it is working or not, and then next video we'll see whether these are working same whatever I explained. Okay, నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన ప్రకారంగానే వర్క్ చేసినాయా లేదా అనేది మనం నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో చూద్దాం. ప్రస్తుతానికి సో మీరు ట్రై చేయడం కోసం, ఓకే, మీరు ట్రై చేయడం కోసం దిస్ ఇస్ ద పార్ట్ 1 గైస్. ఓకే, మీరు ట్రై చేయడం కోసం ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఎ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ గైస్. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఎ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఫర్ కౌంట్. ఓకే, count x and count a, count ax, count blanks and count distinct. Okay, so in the next video we'll clearly see the results, okay, whether it's getting the same or not. So just give a try. Okay, try yourself, like, so whatever the point I explained, okay, same, take the sample data whether it is working the same way or not. Okay, the first point. Okay, so count, it will count the records, count the records in a table. Okay, in a column, sorry. Okay, ఒక కాలంలో ఎన్ని రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనేది ఇట్ విల్ కౌంట్ ద రికార్డ్స్ ఇన్ ఏ కాలం. ఓకే, సో మెయిన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్ ఆన్, ఓకే, ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్ ఆన్ నెంబర్ డేటా టైప్, ఓకే, అండ్ టెక్స్ట్ డేటా టైప్ అండ్ డేట్ డేటా టైప్. ఓకే, డేట్ డేటా టైప్ అయితే, బట్ నెంబర్లో వెన్ యూ వర్క్ ఆన్ విత్ ద నెంబర్స్ అండ్ డేట్స్, so if you have a nulls in the numbers and date, it will skip, because it will skip the blanks. It will skip the null values. Okay, it will skip the null values when you do count, when you do count for number data type and date, for number data type and date data type. Okay, date data type. Kani, so if you do text, so it will not skip. Okay, it will not skip the blanks. Okay, if you do count, text data type, okay, text data type, okay, it will not skip null values. Okay, check this case. Okay, check this. Okay, these are the, so 4 points you need to check. Okay, so for count. Okay, so four points you need to check for count. Okay, so and fourth point. Okay, so count x. Okay, count x, what exactly it will do? Count x also will count the records in a column. The first point is same, but there is, okay, so whatever the count will do, the same thing it will do, guys. Okay, so they same thing. Okay, all this numbers text data type paina panchestadi. Okay, but fifth point entante it will not work on boolean data type, guys. Okay, so count function will not work boolean data type. Okay, so boolean data type means true or false, guys. Okay, true or false మీద it true or false ఏవైతే సపోజ్ ఈ ఆన్లైన్ ఆర్డర్ అనేది ఉంది. ఓకే, సో ఈ ఆన్లైన్ ఆర్డర్ అనేది కౌంట్ అనేది ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ డూ. ఓకే, ఏది కౌంట్ ఫంక్షన్ విల్ నాట్ డూ ద కౌంట్ ఫర్ బూలియన్ డేటా టైప్. ఓకే, సేమ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద పాయింట్స్ we have in the count, the same thing will do in the count x, but only the difference is, so only the difference is, okay, only the difference is count x will filter the data. Okay, expression, x means expression, guys. Okay, x means expression, so it will filter the data. Okay, it will filter the data and then it will do the count. Suppose what are the products he is having more than 1500 price. Okay, what are the products? Count the products which are having more than 1500. Okay, more than 1500 price anappudu, so then we will go for a count x case. Okay, it is filtering the data. Okay, it is filtering the price money and then doing the count for products. Okay, so in that situation ante expression it will filter. Okay, just kind of do the expression. Okay, wherever you have an expression it will do some kind of filtering the things and then it will do some expression anamata. Okay, so ikkada manaki it will do the filter and then it will then after it will do the count. Okay, it will apply a filter. Sixth point here, guys. Okay, this is the only extra point. Otherwise if you don't apply a filter, it's same like a count. Okay, sixth point, if you, so first it will apply filter and do filter based on the condition and do the count. Okay, otherwise it's same like a count. Seventh point is, okay, seventh point what I said. Okay, sixth point. Okay, this is the count, guys. Okay, count and count x. Then what is the count a and count ax? Okay, hope you understand the count and count x, guys. Okay, count and count x you understand very clearly. So I'm next moving to the count a, guys. Okay, count a, how it will work? Count a also it will count the, okay, first point it will count the records. It count the records in a column. Okay, it will count the records in a column. Okay, but second point is it will work on any data type, guys. Okay, it will work on even boolean data type also it will work on. Okay, it will work on number, text, okay, text, comma, date and boolean data type 2. Okay, boolean data type paina kuda pani chestadi. Okay, so it will work on all these things, guys. Okay, boolean data type. Okay, so all this వీటి మీద పని చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, చెక్ చేయండి. ఓకే, నల్స్ స్కిప్ చేస్తుందా లేదా అనేది యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్. ఓకే, సో నల్స్ చెక్ చేస్తుందా లేదా, సో వెదర్ ఇట్స్ స్కిప్పింగ్ ద నల్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ అనేది యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ ఫర్ నెంబర్స్ అండ్ డేటా టైప్స్. ఓకే, నెంబర్స్ అండ్, సో మామూలుగా కౌంట్ అయితే ఇట్ విల్ స్కిప్ ద నల్స్, గైస్. ఓకే, ఓకే, కౌంట్ అయితే ఇట్ విల్ స్కిప్ ద నల్స్. లెట్ మీ చెక్ నౌ. ఓకే, సో ఇది ఒక్కటి చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, సో లెట్స్ టేక్ ఏ కాపీ. సో కౌంట్ ఏకి నేను చెక్ చేస్తున్నాను వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్కిప్పింగ్ ద నల్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ అనేది. ఓకే, టేక్ ఏ కాపీ అండ్ దెన్ ఎంటర్. Okay, then copy, paste. Okay, so this is the count table. I'm just keeping it a count table, guys. Okay, and then load. Okay, and then load. I'm checking whether, so you have to check the same way, guys. Okay, you have to check you have to take a syntax, and then, okay, you have to take the syntax and then check all points what I have given. Okay, నేను ఏవైతే పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చినో ఆ పాయింట్స్ అన్ని మీరు చెక్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో లెట్స్ టేక్, ఓకే, రైట్ వన్ మేజర్. ఓకే, రైట్ వన్ మేజర్, దట్ ఈస్ కౌంట్ ఏ, గైస్. ఓకే, కౌంట్ ఏ గురించి I'm going to explain. Okay, if I write and explain, so it will be very big video. Okay, that is the reason I am just ikkada explanation chestunna. So next dantlo manam practical ga chuddam. Okay, this is count A. Okay, count A, ee count A lo, count A. Okay, so count A column name. Okay, so whatever the column you required ante, so product ID తీసుకుందాం. Okay, so let's take a product ID. Okay, and then enter. Okay, and then, okay, measure results, where we can see measure results, we can see only in the cards. Okay, many measures. Okay, so it's not skipping, guys. Okay, so whatever the records we have, so the total records, okay, that means it's not skipping any. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so total records 9. Okay, it's not skipping the, okay, so count A is not skipping the nulls. Okay, for what about the numbers? Sorry, okay, text kaithe it's not skipping. Okay, what about the numbers data type? So let me check the number data type, please. Okay, let me check the number data type. Okay, okay, click on this measure. So this time I will go with the price. Okay, so let's take this and then go with the price, please. Okay, price. Okay, so for same count and count A also same, guys. Okay, count A for number data type, it's skipping the, okay, so we proved, guys. Okay, it's skipping the null values. Okay, that means it will skip. Okay, so these points are same for the count and count A. Okay, count and count A. Okay, it will skip the null values when you count for number data type and date data type. Okay, if you count the text data type, it will skip the, okay, it will not skip. Okay, it will not, sorry, not, I didn't mention, it will not skip the null values. Okay, ikkada kuda same. Okay, it will not skip null values. Okay, when you count the text data type. Okay, when you count the text data type, it will not skip, guys. Okay, it will not skip. Okay, and so it will work for boolean data type annanga. Okay, let's see that in a practical case. Okay, boolean data type, so you have to check like this. Okay, I'm just giving one example. So for remaining remaining things you have to do. Okay, so boolean data type, what we have, online order. Okay, online order is a true or false results. Okay, so you can go with the online order. Okay, just enter. Okay, so 9. Okay, so 9 correct ena. So let's see that. Okay, so 9 count is a 9. Yes. Okay, so boolean data type mida, so it's working. Okay, boolean data type is working, count is working on boolean data type, guys. Okay, count is working on boolean data type. Okay, that we proved, guys. But count, yes, or not count. Okay, it will work, so that we proved. Okay, so then count A ki count AX ki difference endi అని అంటే same like count text ki count ki difference endo same, guys. Okay, so sixth point is, so it will apply the filter and it will do the count. This is the sixth point. Okay, it will have extra point. Okay, count AX అనేది extra point enti అని అంటే it will, okay, it will filter the data. Okay, it will filter, based on the filter it will count anamata. Okay, so any data type. Okay, it will work on any data type. Okay, so that is count X, guys. Okay, next count blanks. Okay, it will count only blanks. Okay, it will count only blank values in a column. Okay, మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక కాలం తీసుకోండి, అందులో ఏమైనా బ్లాంక్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే ఎన్ని బ్లాంక్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనేది కౌంట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, హౌ మెనీ blank values we have in a column అనేది it will count the count blanks, case. Okay, and then count distinct. Count distinct means, okay, if you have any duplicate values. Okay, suppose suppose ikkada nenu again I am entering the duplicate values case. Okay, suppose so ikkada true false. Okay, sorry, otherwise you can enter some p00 p002 and p003 again and p004. Okay, and p004. Okay, so p005 and p005. Okay, so these are the records we have. So how many unique records we have here ante, so ఇందులో duplicates కాకుండా ఉన్నది ఏంటి p001 ఉంది. Okay, so p001. Okay, that's fine. And what about the p002? So p002 2 times ఉంది, but distinct means only unique అనమాట. సో రిపీటెడ్ గా లేకుండా ఉండేటి. ఓకే, డిస్టింక్ట్ అంటే so p002 ఉంది and then p003. Okay, duplicates, it will not take the duplicates. Okay, it will take only unique records, how many products you have on it. Okay, how many products you have on it. So kabatti manaki ikkada p003 and p004 and p005. Okay, and p006, p007. Okay, these are the unique records. Okay, if you do the count, how many? 7 records. Okay, 7 records count. Okay, so if you have any duplicates, it will not take. Okay, it will count only, it will count unique. Distinct means count unique values in a column. Count unique values in a column, guys. Okay, count unique values in a column. Okay, that is about the count distinct. Okay, count rows. Count rows ante enti? It will count the rows in a table, guys. Okay, this is a table function. Okay, first of all, this is a table function. Okay, it will count rows in a table. Okay, so ఇది కాలం తీసుకోవద్దు, సింటాక్స్ మామూలుగా ఇవేవి తీసుకున్నా కూడా సింటాక్స్ ఏంటి, కౌంట్ కి అయితేనేమో కౌంట్ ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్ సింటాక్స్, కౌంట్ ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్ కాలం నేమ్. ఓకే, కాలం నేమ్. Okay, this is the syntax for count, guys. Okay, count x ante, so table expression. Okay, దీనికి syntax ఏంటి, count x కి, so table expression comma column, table expression comma count. Okay, count x, sorry, count x table expression. Okay, and then count column. Okay, so count కాదు, so this is a column name, guys. Okay, so ఏ కాలమ్ ని మీరు కౌంట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో అక్కడ కాలమ్ నేమ్. Okay, so just this one. Okay, so for remaining count a and count x also same count, and count blanks, it will count the, okay, this will also take the column only, count blanks. Okay, count blanks open bracket column name. Okay, so it will count blanks in that column. Okay, and it counts for unique value in that column. Okay, these are the syntax, guys. Okay, count distinct. Okay, count distinct open bracket column name. Okay, and then count rows. Okay, count rows table name. That's it. Okay, this is the syntax for count rows and then table name. Okay, so it will count the rows in a table. Okay, this is about the count function, guys. Okay, try yourself first, and then tomorrow I will create one more video with the practical. Okay, whatever the points we have. Okay, I'm saving this file, so whatever the points we have, okay, the same thing we will practically show in another video, guys. Okay, practically show in another video. Okay, I'm writing count functions. Okay, so tomorrow I will open the same file and then I will create a video, guys. Okay, so this is a count function, guys. Okay, thank you. Okay, if you like the video, so press the like button and subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, if you're new to this channel. Okay, thank you.